Hey guys, let's solve another geometric problem in this video. Yeah, a rectangular tank 15 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 12 centimeter height is filled with water to a depth of 6 centimeter. Then an iron ball of volume 300 cubic centimeter is put into the tank. Now question 1 is find the height of the new water level, and then question 2 is a tap is then turned on to fill up the tank. If water flows at a rate of 1.2 liters per minute, how long will it take to fill it up? Yeah, so let's solve this problem. Let's write down what is given in the problem. Yeah, so tank, and the length is how much? 15 centimeter, and then the width is 10 centimeter. Yeah, 10 centimeter, and the height is 12 centimeter, right? And the water level, yeah, water level is equals to 6 centimeter, right? So that's what is given. And then a ball of 300 cubic centimeter is added. So added 300 cubic centimeter, right? So this is what is given in the problem. Now question 1, new water level. So that's what we are going to find, which means the new height of the water. That's what we are going to find. So for that, the current volume of water, right? Let's see, there is already water of 6 centimeter height. Yeah, see, in any tank, as I always said in the previous videos, the length and the width will never change if you are changing the quantity inside the tank. In this case, it's water, right? If you add water or remove water, only the height will change. The length and width will never change. So the current volume of water, so current volume of water is equals to how much? Length times width times height. So which is 15 times 10 times 6, right? 6. That's what is the current volume. So how much will that be? 60 times 15, right? So 15, 60. So put 0. 6 times 5 is 30. And 0. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 3, 9. 900. So equals to 900 cubic centimeters. Yeah, so that's the current volume of water. So volume after the iron ball is added, right? After the ball is added equals to how much? 900 plus 300, right? Because that's the volume of the ball, right? The iron ball. So equals to 1200 cubic centimeter, or 1200 cubic centimeter. So now the new height, yeah, as I mentioned, the length and width will never change, only the height will change, right? So here the length times width times height is equals to 1200, yeah, 1200. So we know the length and width, which is 15 times 10 times height is equals to 1200. So what is the height in that case? Height is equals to 1200 divided by 15 times 10, right? So here we can just cancel the 0 to 0, and then in the 15 we can say 3 times 5 is 15, and here 2 times 5 is 10, and then 220. 4 times 5 is 20, and it can still go for 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and then 8 times 3 is 24, right? So 8 centimeter. So the height is what? Height is 8 centimeter. So that's the answer 1, right? Answer 1 is equals to height is equals to 8 centimeter. So we found the answer 1. Let's erase this one. Now the question 2 is how long it's going to take to fill the tank for the remaining height. Yeah, so for that we need to find what is the remaining height. Yeah, the total height is equals to 12 centimeter, right? The current water level after dropping the ball, right? Current water level is equals to 8 centimeter, right? Remaining height is equals to 12 minus 8 equals to 4 centimeter. Now we need to find how much water is yet to be filled. Yeah, so for that what we do, we know the remaining height that needs to be filled, we know the length and the width already. So if you multiply all of them, that's what the remaining the quantity or the volume of water that needs to be filled in, right? So the water to be filled equals to how much? 15 times 10 times 4, right? Which is equals to 4 times 10 is 40, 40 times 15, 40, 0, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, 6, 600. 600 cubic centimeter is what is yet to be filled. Now it's given that water per minute, yeah, so that is like flowing inside the tank, water per minute is 1.2 liter, which is equals to, you need to convert that into cubic centimeter because this one is cubic centimeter, right? So let's convert that. What should we do for that? Very good, we multiply by 1000 is equals to how much? 1200 cubic centimeter. Now the rate at which the water is getting filled is 1200 cubic centimeter per minute. Yeah. Now what we need to fill, how much we need to fill? Only 600 cubic centimeter, right? Do we need more time or less time? We need less time, right? Yeah, because see, for 1200 cubic centimeter it takes 1 minute. But if we need only 600 cubic centimeter, the time is obviously going to be less, right? So it is a direct proportion, right? You know the direct proportion and indirect proportion, right? Yeah. So for the direct proportion, it is the division which are equal. What it means is that, see, 1200 cubic centimeter takes 1 minute. 1 minute, right, is equals to whatever the time that we need for filling 600 cubic centimeter. So that is what we are going to find. So this is the equation for the direct proportion. Yeah, for 1200 cubic centimeter it takes 1 minute. Therefore, how much it is going to take for 600 cubic centimeter? So that's what we are going to find. So here, so in this case, what should we do? If you rewrite this equation, T divided by 600 equals to 1 divided by 1200 or 1200. So in this case, T is equals to 600 divided by 1200, right? 1200. You know how it changes this way, right? You know how or don't know? Okay, fine. So I'll just use the usual method. Okay. See, now here we just need T on the left side. So for that, what we do? We just multiply by 600 on the left side. Because we are multiplying by 600 on the left side, we have to multiply on the right side as well. So let's do it that way. T divided by 600 times 600, because we are going to cancel the 600. Therefore, 1 by 1200 times 600 also, because we are multiplying on the left side using 600, so we have to multiply by 600 on the right side as well. So here the 600 gets cancelled, so we are left with only T. Here we can cancel these two zeros, and then 6 and 12, this can go for actually 6 itself. So this is 1 times 6 is 6. Here 2 times 6 is 12, which is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 seconds. Yeah, because see, this one is minute. No, 1 by 2 minutes, because this one is a minute, right? 1200 cubic centimeter is filled within 1 minute. So for 600 cubic centimeter, it is half minute. Yeah, 1 by 2 means what? Half minute. Minutes. Or you can say 0.5 minutes. Right, so that's the answer 2. Right, found the answer 2. Easy, guys? Yeah, easy. Just pay a little more attention and then just few logics and it will be done. But if you still have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment box of this video. I'll address it in the next video. I'll pick up similar problem to just focus wherever you are struggling, so that it will be easy for you to understand. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.